Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Red Tail RC Airplane is a high-quality, detailed scale model designed for adult hobbyists and experienced RC pilots. This model replicates the iconic P-51 Mustang Warbird, famous for its role in World War II, specifically the red tail version flown by the Tuskegee Airmen. It features a large wingspan of 1,700 mm, 66.9 inches, providing stable flight and impressive presence in the air. This RC airplane is a 6-channel, 6ch model, giving you full control over throttle, ailerons, elevator, rudder, flaps, and retractable landing gear, enhancing realistic flight maneuvers and improved handling. The inclusion of functional flaps and retractable landing gear adds to its authenticity and makes takeoffs and landings smoother. Built with durable materials, the plane is lightweight yet robust, ideal for aerobatics and warbird-style flying. It comes equipped with LED lights, improving visibility and adding to its aesthetic appeal during dusk or night flying sessions. This is a P&P, plug-and-play, model, meaning it includes everything except the radio transmitter, battery, and charger. This allows pilots to use their own preferred radio system and battery setup, offering flexibility in gear selection. The FMS P-51 Mustang Red Tail is perfect for RC enthusiasts who appreciate historical warbuds and want a detailed, high-performance plane for advanced flying. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is an ideal remote control airplane designed for beginners, kids, and adults looking to enter the exciting world of RC flying. Measuring 500 mm in wingspan, this lightweight model combines ease of use with durable construction to provide a reliable and fun flying experience. Equipped with a 4-channel, 4ch, remote control, the plane offers precise maneuverability in all directions, allowing users to control throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll easily. Its standout feature is the advanced 6-axis gyro stabilizer, which automatically corrects the plane's position during flight, enhancing stability and making it easier for novices to maintain control. The plane includes 3 distinct flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing pilots to gradually build their skills at a comfortable pace. This flexibility helps users develop confidence while mastering the controls. The Sport Cub also features a prop saver mechanism that protects the propeller from damage during hard landings or crashes, extending the aircraft's longevity. Ready to fly, RTF, out of the box, the package includes everything necessary to get started quickly, such as the aircraft, remote transmitter, battery, and charger. Its bright red color adds visibility during flight, making it easier to track in the sky. Overall, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is a highly recommended RC plane for anyone starting out, offering a perfect balance of stability, control, and durability to ensure an enjoyable and rewarding flying experience. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane by E-Flite is a versatile and rugged 1.5-meter wingspan aircraft designed for both beginner and intermediate pilots. It comes as a BNF, bind and fly, basic model, meaning it includes everything needed to fly except the transmitter, battery, and charger, which must be purchased separately. This allows pilots to use their existing Spectrum transmitters and compatible accessories. A standout feature of the Turbo Timber is its AS3X, artificial stabilization 3-axis, technology, which stabilizes the airplane in turbulent conditions for smooth, precise flight. The plane also incorporates Safe Select technology, providing multiple flight modes, including beginner-friendly self-leveling and panic recovery modes, making it easier and safer to fly, especially for novices. This model comes equipped with floats, enabling water takeoffs and landings, greatly enhancing its versatility. The durable construction uses lightweight composite materials and tough foam, ensuring resilience during rough landings on land or water. The large wing area and high-lift airfoil give it excellent low-speed handling, making it ideal for scale like slow flight and short takeoffs. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M combines classic rugged bush plane design with modern electronics and features, offering a fun, stable, and capable RC experience. It's well suited for pilots who want an amphibious RC plane with advanced stabilization tech for both learning and recreational flying. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 is a beginner-friendly remote control airplane designed for both kids and adults looking to explore RC flying. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz 2-channel remote control system, it offers a reliable and interference-free connection, ensuring smooth and responsive control over the plane. This model is an EPP foam glider, making it lightweight, durable, and resilient to crashes, ideal for newcomers to RC flying. One of the standout features of the FX803 is its built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization system, which helps maintain flight stability and balance. This gyro system greatly simplifies controlling the plane, allowing beginners to learn flying more easily and avoid frequent crashes. The plane's construction from EPP foam provides flexibility and resistance to damage, enhancing longevity and fun. The FX803 is designed as a simple 2-channel aircraft, controlling throttle and rudder for easy maneuvering. Its glider design allows for smooth soaring and gentle landings, making it suitable for outdoor flying in calm weather conditions. The remote control's ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, suitable for children and adults. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the plane can be quickly charged for multiple flights. It's an excellent starter RC plane, offering a balanced mix of durability, stability, and ease of use. Whether you are a beginner adult or a child interested in RC flying, the Makerfire FX803 provides a fun, educational, and affordable entry into the hobby. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a versatile and user-friendly RC plane designed for both adults and kids. It offers a thrilling flying experience with an emphasis on ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. One of its standout features is the availability of 3 distinct control modes, which cater to different skill levels and flying preferences. These modes simplify maneuvering, especially enabling easy U-turns, so users can quickly learn and improve their piloting skills without frustration. Constructed from durable yet lightweight materials, the Leambe RC plane is built to withstand minor crashes and rough landings, enhancing its longevity. The aerodynamic design helps ensure stable flight and responsive control, allowing users to enjoy smooth flying indoors or outdoors. The plane is equipped with a reliable remote control that offers precise commands and good range, enabling confident operation. Its rechargeable battery provides a reasonable flight time, balancing playtime and quick recharging convenience. Overall, the Leambe RC plane combines durability, ease of control, and fun, making it an ideal gift for kids interested in aviation and a fun hobby for adults seeking a casual flying experience. Whether for family fun or solo enjoyment, this plane supports skill development with its adaptable control modes and resilient build.